Okay, just finished my cold calling. Yep, I don't even have a hair cream. Actually, I was off my shirt. I didn't wear shirt just now cold calling. It's in my house anyway, so I'm supposed to be comfortable, right? Well, that is not why I actually want to do the video today. I understand that being agents, right? Today is a Saturday. Today is a weekend. You definitely have better things to do than cold calling people. That is what I feel also. And my excuse was that I wanted to finish my book, writing my book, because I wanted to target it to submit it 1st of October. But I told myself, right, why not just open a laptop, call one person. Just the key here is to keep the streak alive. Again, keep the streak alive. Okay, it doesn't matter as long as today I call one person, I will mark that cold call one. That's it. So whatever you do, right, whether is getting listing, a target you set for yourself, whether you want to post content, like today, every day you are posting content, every day you tell yourself you want to post content, just keep the streak alive. It doesn't matter if you just post an image without any caption, just keep the streak alive. Okay, seems like cold call today. I told myself just on the PC, call one person, whether the person pick up or not, I'm done. Okay, but guess what? It became more than that. I managed to speak to like 2 or 3 people over the phone. No listing today, but I just thought that I would share. Okay, this is in contrast to all those, willpower. I tell you, push through it. Willpower is good, but willpower, right, is like a muscle, and the more you use it, right, the more tired you feel. So there are some days, right, you definitely don't feel like doing anything at all. Really, really tired, don't feel like doing anything at all. That's when you decide just to keep the streak alive. You take the phone and you call one person. But even the phone also you cannot take. It's so tired. You're really tired. You're already well spent. You've been working the whole day. I understand. In that case, you decide. Perhaps you just go and sleep, go and rest. Okay, we are not machines. I don't buy into that bullshit of hustle 24/7 without rest and then sleep like 3 hours a day. No. I think that one you will break down faster lah. And frankly speaking, I've been through that life, burnout, until I go into hospital, and it's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. Remember, building a business or even in real estate, building anything takes time, and rest is part of that building. It's not a luxury, it's part of that building. Okay, so that's it for me for today. All the best, real estate agents. Remember, keep the streak alive, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.